Paging Aitken Robertson to courtroom number 2. The jury is back with a verdict. Members of the jury, how do you find the accused? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty on all accounts, Your Honor.
Welcome back to Legally Speaking, the YouTube channel where we break down complex legal issues into clear, understandable discussions. I'm Melanie Fanada, a licensed paralegal here at Aitken Robertson. Today's episode is particularly important as we dive into the different defenses available for drug charges. Navigating the criminal justice system can be daunting, especially when facing serious accusations. But understanding your legal options is the first step in building a strong defense. Joining me today is Taryn Paul Dhaliwal, a seasoned criminal defense lawyer with a wealth of experience across a wide range of cases, including impaired driving, assault, sexual assault, firearms, fraud, and of course, drug offenses. Taryn Paul has played an instrumental role in securing favorable outcomes for clients. Taryn, what are some common legal defenses that can be used in drug charge cases, and how do they work?
So the main section in terms of the charter relating to defenses in drug trafficking is typically Section 8 of the charter. Section 8 is your right against unreasonable search and seizure. Section 9 is your right against arbitrary detention. That's another one that sort of goes hand in hand, oftentimes with the Section 8 violation. In terms of a defense, it's very context and fact specific. For example, if there's an individual that's pulled over, for example, speeding, or any allegation under the Highway Traffic Act, when the officer approaches the vehicle and if they're of the opinion, for example, that there is marijuana readily available in the vehicle, or there's open alcohol. These provisions are ingrained in the Cannabis Control Act and the Liquor License Act. They would allow the investigating officer the power to search the vehicle. If upon, for example, finding an open can of alcohol in the vehicle, the officer searched and found a quantity of drugs. What would come to play in this case is whether or not the officer had the appropriate grounds to arrest the individual. And so that is one of the potential defenses. Another one could be when an individual is being investigated for drug trafficking. Oftentimes in these investigations, there will be a considerable amount of surveillance done and a search warrant executed on the individual's home, for example. And so finding issues with it's called an ITO, an information to obtain, is another way that these charges can be beat.
Thank you so much, Taryn, for joining us today. And thank you to everyone else for joining us today on the Legally Speaking Aitken Robertson YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged, and take care. Thank you for tuning in to Legally Speaking, proudly brought to you by Aitken Robertson Criminal Defense. We represent clients facing criminal charges all over Ontario, providing you with legal support and dedicated advocacy. If you enjoyed this episode and want to see more content, please like and subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website. We also offer free books on various types of criminal charges, which you can request on our website or by using the QR codes on your screen now. For legal assistance, call us today or visit our website to request a meeting with one of our experienced lawyers or licensed paralegals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Legally Speaking.